Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of a system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. Okay, now therefore installation progress is done. Now let us go for the cloud part. So how to create the cloud? So in this cloud I have created some data. So now we can delete it and we can create a fresh one. Now what and all I have deleted, this only procedure will be there for us to work. So within a short time this also will be deleted. I'm not sure how much limit is available for this kind of clouds. Okay, so now let us go and create a dashboard first. The dashboard is most important part, because inside the dashboard only we will be arranging all the particular requirements into the single screen. So now we have reached towards our dashboard. Create a dashboard. So default time range, dynamic dashboard, whatever it is required. So automatic screen size will be applied. Floating widgets, widgets opacity 100, so 100% we will be able to view it. Horizontal spacing 10 and vertical spacing 10. So totally 10 cross 10 widgets we will be able to place it over here like a table. The name of the dashboard, it is IoT Master. So now from this, here we can select whatever the widget we need. So first let us select much confused. Okay, we can take this tank, the level of tank. So we have to add variable for that. So for that first we have to create the device. So let us go for the device. Then we will create the widget over here. Yeah, there are no devices. How to create means click on this plus, click on plus device and go for the blank. Hereby I am taking it as RASP SPB. So this will be the name of the device. Label of the device is also required, that is more important. Copy that. Okay, so now the device is created. Now inside the device you have to create variable. So now we are just going to monitor the data. So first let us create only this variable. Then next we can create the another variable, mentioning it as AR. So AR is one of the variable and the variable has been created successfully. Now let us go to the code. Now here inside this code we are just using from Ubidots import API client. This is for API token inside the Ubidots, and this is for app variable. So whatever that particular variable we have created for the app, that is the requirement over here. Now let us get back to our cloud. Get into the cloud. So this is our app variable. Okay, click on this, get back and paste it. So the app variable is ready. Now the next we have to go for API credentials. So click on this API key. Maximum for the entire cloud you will be having only one API key. The same API key only it has been applied for all the particular functions. Now our site is ready. Now let us go and create the widget. So go to the dashboard. Click on the widgets. So we have planned for taking tank, right? So tank widget, we are going to add the variable AR. AR is known as the variable over here. Now we have added. Anything should be changed means we can change it. So there is no requirement. Range value will be 0 to 100. So we can add the color logic. Range from 0 to 40 is good. 0 till 40 we can make it as yellow, or above 40 it will be from yellow, and above 80 we can make it as red. Yeah, so now click on create logic. Now enter it. No data is found over here. Once the data is found, it will start to apply the function. Now let us run the code. So here we can see that data, once if it is getting connected towards that API, let us wait for some time. So initially it is 76, so that it is in yellow, 74, It has changed more than more than 80 means it is red. 57. Here we have applied completely like a random integer. Came less than 40, so it is in green. It is 1, so it is in green. So this can be set as one of the magic widget while compared to all others. Like this kind of color variation and all, we will be able to get over here only inside this Ubidots. That's why Ubidots being highlighted for these many types. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.